Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here with Revered Beards, back again with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about beard oil, and more specifically, what is it and what's it used for. And so if you're new to beards, any type of facial hair, growing a beard, you might not know exactly what beard oil is or, really what benefits it can give you. Chances are you probably have heard of it. It's a lot more common than what it used to be. But basically, beard oil is a conditioning product for your beard. And so a good beard oil is going to be made out of all natural ingredients. And the majority of that beard oil is going to be made out of a carrier oil, which is basically what carries the scents. So a carrier oil is usually going to be something like almond oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil sometimes, and sometimes fractionated coconut oil. Rarely you'll see anything with olive oil, but you could make your own with olive oil if you wanted to, but usually it smells a lot more like, olive oil, and it's usually a lot more of a thicker consistency. But with that carrier oil, usually there is a essential oil or some natural way to add scent into the carrier oil. Now, you can get some beard oils that use synthetic fragrances. I would try to shy away from those. So if you can get stuff without any synthetic fillers or synthetic fragrances, you're going to be just a lot better off because they're just more healthier for you. Because why not just get the actual natural thing than get the synthetic imitation? And so usually you're going to get something with essential oils. Now, essential oils can vary greatly in their quality. I know it's kind of hard to determine, okay, are they using a good essential oil or are they using not good essential oils? The only really way to find that out usually is by contacting a company and asking them, what kind of essential oils do you use? Because the essential oil from a shelf from like Target or Walmart is going to have a lot of fillers. It's not going to be 100% pure, and it's going to be like the leftovers from other oils. If you look up into the whole distillation process, it goes into further detail, but usually the stuff you get at like Walmart or Target are like the leftovers of the leftovers of the leftovers, and there's fillers and synthetic ingredients with them. But if you get your essential oils from a reputable source, there's a lot of big names out there who just specifically all they do is essential oils. Usually you're going to be pretty good. And so your beard oil is going to consist of a carrier oil and essential oils. And sometimes they add vitamin E oil, but usually that's already in your actual carrier oil, but sometimes they add it in. So now that you know what a beard oil is and what's in it, let's go into a little bit more detail about how you use it and really what it's for. So beard oil is what I would consider like an introductory beard product because you can use it whether you have a short beard, a long beard, or just barely a beard. And you can vary how much you use it. You just use one little drop if you want to use a couple drops. And it's very easy to use. And really the main thing that a beard oil does is it does hydrate your skin, helps bring moisture back into your skin and your beard hairs in cases like it's dried out. And also what it's really done for me is help alleviate flaking. Sometimes you just get dry beard. It's like having dandruff, it's on your head, but you have it in your beard. Using a beard oil has really helped me with that. Now, there's also no guarantees that it can work because some things work better for other people. But 9 times out of 10, beard oils definitely help hydrate your beard and they help alleviate the scratchiness and the dandruff and the flaking. And the itching too, because I've had times where my beard is just so itchy that all you do is you just want to sit there and itch your face all day. And beard oils can definitely help alleviate that. All right, so now you know what's in a beard oil and you know what it's used for. You might be saying, okay, what do I buy? Which is the best kind of beard oil? Well, the answer is going to vary depending on who you ask. There's a lot of beard oils out there. There's a lot of beard oil companies. Personally, I use beard oils that my wife makes because she owns a business called Summertime. And if you want to check it out, I'll put the website in the link or put the link to the website in the description below. It's summertime.co, not .com, .co. And she makes her own beard oils, and I use those most of the time. There's perks to being married to the business owner who makes beard oils. So you get them for free. But she has a couple different kinds. Some of my favorites are peppermint tea tree and backwoods. Peppermint tea tree is obviously what it is. It has peppermint and tea tree essential oil in a carrier oil. And then backwoods has some cedar wood, some pine, some cypress. That gives you much more of a woodsy smell. But that's what I use. And you can tell I have a very weathered bottle. I use it a lot, and I usually just refill it whenever she's making another batch. And it's easy to use. All beard oils are. You just get some in a dropper, or sometimes in a pump, or sometimes they have like an essential oil, a European cap, where you just dab it in your finger or in your hand like that. But usually you just take a few drops, It just depends how long your beard is or how much you want to put in. Rub your hands together and then you just rub it through your beard. That's all there is to it. Now, if you really want to level up, buy yourself a beard comb and then you comb it out through your beard to evenly distribute it even better than just rubbing your hands through your beard. So usually I use my wife's brand beard oil, but every now and then either I will just stumble upon another beard oil or a company might reach out and say, hey, you want to try this beard oil? And I say, sure, let's try it. So I've tried Beard Guy's beard oils before. This is a little bit different though. This is their beard serum, which isn't what it used to be years ago. This is made with natural ingredients, but it's not all natural ingredients. And there's some stuff in there, beard oil. Like there's fragrance, which is not from essential oil, alcohol. There's just a lot of other ingredients like glycerine, something, and pentapolylide 17. I'm not a big fan of that kind of stuff. You know, the ingredients in our essential oil: argan oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil. That's it. So you easily know what's inside of it. This one has about 12 different ingredients, and a lot of them I can't pronounce. So I'm not trying to trash on Beard Guys because they make good products, but I would choose an all-natural one with all natural ingredients over stuff that I can't pronounce. But I have used other kinds of beard oil before. And I'll link a few down in the comment section. I'll link a few down in the description below where you can check them out. Most will probably be on Amazon, but ours will be on my wife's website, business website. But just be careful what you buy. Try not to buy anything that's full of synthetics, artificial fragrances, and all natural is always a good thing. And so that's going to be it for this video about beard oils, talking about what they are, what's in them, and how they're used. If you have any more questions about beard oils or beards in general, put them down in the comment section below. You can also reach out to me on Revered Beards on Twitter and Instagram. And you can check out our website, reveredbeards.com, for articles, products, how-tos, all kinds of stuff about beards. And so if you enjoyed this video, also make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell. That way you're notified whenever new videos go live. And drop this video a like if you did enjoy it. And so that's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.